I saw this beautiful custom black vintage Chevrolet sitting in a parking lot, and I asked the owner if I could take some pictures. It was spotless, there wasn't a fingerprint on it. The man's name is Chocolate, and he let me even take pictures of the inside of the car. Here's the back of the car. He calls the car my Stanford girl because he got the car when he was in college up at Stanford. And he now rents the car out. He drives, but he rents the car out for those that want to impress their dates. The interior of the car is just as stunning. Everything done red and white. You see it there, the nice long bench seat. The seat belts are red. Oh, the steering wheel is black, but everything else is red and white. The white little dogs there, they don't go on the dates unless you want them. They're little stuffed animals. Please comment below if you know the year and the model of this vintage Chevrolet. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Appreciate it.